all the latest, hottest rumors about the potential successor to the iPhone SE, aka iPhone 9 or iPhone SE 2. Apple is expected to launch a low-cost phone in late March, which could be the first of 5 iPhones that are expected to be released in 2020. This device is believed to be a cheaper phone called the iPhone 9, or possibly iPhone SE 2, which will be the much anticipated 2016 iPhone SE update. If the rumors are confirmed, this will mean Apple's renewed commitment to low-cost phones as global smartphone sales continue to decline. The announcement, due March 31st, is expected to occur despite widespread supply chain disruptions caused by the coronavirus, which has already forced Apple to lower its quarterly earnings forecasts. However, until the event takes place, we will continue to collect the most reliable and convincing rumors that are circulating to give you an idea of what to expect from the spring launch of Apple. iPhone 9 can start for $399. Apple's well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo predicts that the iPhone 9 will cost $399. At this price, Apple can attract customers who don't want to spend $1,000 or even $700. Say, the iPhone 11 Pro or iPhone 11, to upgrade. This is not the first time that Apple focuses on the entry-level segment of the smartphone market. The original iPhone SE is released for $399. At that time, it was hundreds of dollars cheaper than its contemporaries, and ended up being a successful product for the company. As the global smartphone market shrinks and fewer consumers spend money on premium phones, one should not lose sight of the importance of offering low-cost but high-quality phones, especially if Apple wants to penetrate even larger, price-sensitive countries like China and India. The phone may have an A13 Bionic chip, 3 GB of RAM. It is expected that the upcoming iPhone 9 will be modeled after the iPhone 8, but with improved internal components. It could be Apple's latest chipset, the A13 processor, the same as the iPhone 11. Kuo also expects the iPhone 9 to have 3 GB of RAM.